Hello everybody, welcome back to Sweden. Today we are going to put some rust eater on the old frame here. I've cleaned the frame as good as it gets, and it has a few spots where it's still surface rust. So this stuff will convert the rust and sort of make it into a non-aggressive substance. So you put this on, and it's used also as a primer. So put this on in 2 layers. First coating, thin coating on, and then after 30 minutes you put the next one on. And then it takes about 24 hours for it to surface harden enough that you can put some regular paint on. And we are going to try this stuff, see how it works out. I'm going to put a link in the description to where I got this. It's bought in Sweden, but the Swedish page, the Swedish supplier that I bought this from, also has an English page, so you can find it there. I'll put that link in. All right, let's get cracking.
Shake it, baby.
Right, first layer down. So it started out kind of whitish and bubbly, like a little soup. Not thick soup though. And now it's turning a little bit pinkish. Maybe it's hard to see on the camera. It's supposed to turn black. I realized it was quite hard painting this with all the fuel lines we're in. So, and also the worst thing when you do this stuff, you see all the things you want to do more. So I've been trying to take this exhaust pipe off, but it's really stuck in there. So I've let it go for a while, but I need to take that off because it's see little holes in there. And the fuel lines, I need to take them out completely, and I think when I take them out and just exchange them, I will paint that area again because there was too much stuff in there. And also this fuel tank was blocking some of the way. So, but let's start just with this, what we can in the meantime. Everything is good on these trucks.
Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby.